Hey coach, are you struggling to get your reels posted? Every week you sit there and go, yeah, I'm going to get some more done. And like normal, you just don't. You procrastinate, you overthink about it, you get imposter syndrome, comparison syndrome, whatever it is, you don't post. The problem is it doesn't matter what the other coaches are thinking. It matters the fact that you're not serving your client and not helping them get the result they can with the knowledge that you've got. So I want to help you take all of that pressure away. I want to show you how to talk on camera, how you can feel the most authentic version of yourself without thinking too hard and making it super simple. You see, if we can break this down and give you the steps to take you to the next level with your content, you're going to feel happier. But the best thing about it is your clients get the best out of you, which means you get the best out of them, and then we all win together. The workshop is all about taking that stress away. We're going to break everything down on the workshop to make sure that you go home with the confidence that you need and also the plan of action to get this all done. I want to simplify the process. I want to stop all that overthinking and get the very best out of you. So if you want a space on the course, please click the link in my bio, get yourself a ticket. Can't wait to take you through the experience and get you out the other side with that confidence you've always been looking for.